shule hii ile ambayo namwambia hapa hadi mtoto naenda nakuona namrudisha hapa namwambia hivyo.
We love you so much, and just feel at home, okay? So the message is this. Currently we have 2 laboratories that is for science experiments, and the sciences involved are chemistry, biology, and physics. So our laboratories are only 2, and they only cater for 200 students. And we are about 600, so we are wishing and we are requesting you parents that kindly provide us with some laboratories, please, for your humbleness, okay? Okay, thank you so much, and as you'll be coming back, may God grant you journey mercies. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah.
I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to this particular meeting. It's a very, very important meeting, but the 3 of us are going to sit together to chart the way forward for our beloved daughters. Our beloved daughters are with us.
to 2021, the last year exam result for KCSE. How parents, you are ready to appreciate us. We are not going to ask much. We want you to have a good space so that you can also clap for us. That's not too much. We have registered 306 girls. With these 306 girls, we achieved a mean of 8.12. To achieve a mean of 8.12 is not a joke. That is a B minus. To have a clear picture, the previous year, we had registered a mean of 7.6. Meaning, it is a positive deviation. Parents, a B minus is not a joke. I want you to appreciate the teachers and the students who have done this exam last year. I don't know the method we can be able to use, but we have a culture. I want to pick one student to give us sodium club. Yes, I can see your hand. Can you come and teach the parents on how we are going to appreciate you in a black tie? Sodium is a very reactive metal. Now sodium is 281. Now, can you start with 2? This is the way we are going to clap. I hope you are going to get the instruction correctly, right? Yes. Can you start with 2? 2, 8, and then 1. Students, ready, go. You didn't get it. Again, for the last time. Ready, start. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. We started from an A minus. There were 19 students. Can you clap for us? You're not appreciating as well. Can you clap? Thank you. Then we had a B plus. There were 46. Can you still appreciate us? B plane, there were 93. B minus, there were 80. C plus, there were 65. C plane, there were 40. C minus, 15. D plus, 1, and at A plane, it was also 1.